If you are getting an unexpected end of archive error in WinRAR, it usually means the file was not fully downloaded or the archive is damaged. First, re-download the file from the original source because incomplete downloads are the most common cause of this error. Make sure your internet connection is stable while downloading to avoid file corruption. Open the file using the latest version of WinRAR because older versions may fail to read newer archive structures. Try downloading the file again using a different browser to prevent download interruptions or hidden corruption. Check if the file size matches the original size listed on the download page. If it is smaller, the file is incomplete. Move the file to a simple location like desktop before extracting it. Temporarily disable antivirus because it can sometimes interfere with archive reading or extraction. Try opening the file with another tool like 7-zip to confirm whether the archive is truly damaged. Use the Repair Archive option inside WinRAR if the damage is minor. If nothing works, the archive is permanently incomplete and you will need to download a fresh copy.